Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the stream. I bricked up the green screen again. We love it. There you go. Nice. Today is the devlog. We're gonna work a little bit on our Minecraft mod. Minecraft mod, because more than one. There are things. First, we're definitely gonna chill in voice chat today. I hope to work together with BIMs because, well, need some input. And I think for today we'll try to go to the, well, the very fun part. My brain is lagging. Brain is way much more than just lagging. So, there has been a video. Let's start with that. So, someone uploaded a video, and the crazy thing is they managed to basically use Minecraft to display arbitrary graphics. So they managed to get Minecraft to display anything they wanted. And we're gonna look into that. They have coded it for paper, which we don't use. So we will port that to Fabric. And then we'll check out, while we're doing that, we're gonna see how it works. Maybe we'll learn a bit about rendering, a bit about how they've approached displaying graphics in Minecraft. And then we'll think about how we can exploit that. How we can, yeah, basically turn that to our favor and get this to work with Polymer, so we can hopefully send player dependent GUIs that you can interact with, and the end goal would be to make them completely customizable. So using some kind of probably markdown language, I'm not really sure yet, because again, very early stages, but some kind of just some kind of maybe markdown language, maybe something along the lines of what is it called? Maybe something along the lines of HTML. But that would mean writing an entire interpreter. And I don't know if I want that, because HTML is very feature complete, and let's be honest, that would make this very big, this project. Very cool, but very big. But yeah. Maybe like some just step down version from HTML. We just need some way to get pixel matrix from customizable input. Right? From some kind of templating, we want to generate graphics that you can then interact with. It's not really easy, but we'll see. We will see. And I hope Bims will join me in a moment. I'll just send him an invite. Ah, because I can't invite him because he can already see this. Okay, Well, anyhow, let's put in some lo-fi, I guess, and then we'll start looking at the... We'll start porting first. First we're gonna start porting. Which will begin with one funny thing. So let's switch to here. So first of all, we want a few things. I think actually it's in documents and then in tele. No. It's not in pictures. Brain. Users. These are... here it is. Idea projects. Okay, so. What we want is basically the configuration from this. I think that should be about right. And we want to place that here. We delete the POM because we don't use that in our house. And now we're gonna switch. Let's see. So pom.xml got deleted. Good things. Hello, Kali! Mikrowave. Big mikrowave. Yes, yes. Okay. So. Settings. Real properties. Anything we need to... Yes. We need to do... Minecraft. Text. And we probably need to... Okay, all of this is in Java for some reason. That's fine. Colored cauldrons. Is that all in Java? No, that is all in... Rendering. There is a lot of stuff. There is a lot of stuff. Anyhow. Mod. Display. Dash fabric. There are obviously a few things that we don't need. We don't need any Postgres or ORM. That is not needed here. This should be fine. I think this should be fine. So might need to do some things. Okay, okay. It is loading stuff. So we should be fine. Really hard to see for you guys on TikTok, right? But hey, that's the life, I guess. Dun, 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 dun. And we're waiting. 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 Waiting some more. Might need to get myself another coffee though. I will definitely need to go through all of this. Also, JSON plugin or YML, we don't need that anymore. Definitely need to go through all of this fun stuff. Oh god, hello! Hi! Oh, we're playing a little bit with a few, sorry guys. That's the second time today that my audio died. Give me a moment. Come on. There we go. I have, so we are trying to port a mod for now. Now we're just trying to port something over from paper to fabric. It's gonna be a little bit of scuff here and there, but we'll get there. We'll get there. You understand nothing? Okay, so Minecraft has mods, right? And a guy made something really, really interesting. And that is this.
Hi. Recently, I realized that I have been sleeping on one of the game's most powerful features.
So.
The most obvious use for this is stacking many of them in a grid.
My internet, repeat.
Digital.
So. A guy found, like recently, like 2 weeks ago, found out how you can abuse Minecraft text displays. It's a native feature in Minecraft, and you can do weird things with that.
Created my old 3D renderer, but with much more accurate colors. I
Want that.
The old clunky control.
However, they made a mod, right, for paper. We don't use paper in our house. We use fabric. So we're gonna port that. We're just gonna use his code and put it into our own framework, and then we're gonna see. It is very insane what he does. I mean, there's a reflection in the water, right? This is pretty cool stuff.
I locked the player's movements by mounting them on an armor.
However, again, the one problem is they're using a Minecraft framework that I don't support. It's pretty insane, not gonna lie. Exactly. And we want, for our own project, we want to use something like that for some more advanced interactive displays. Because that is definitely a... It's worth a shot. Right? It's worth a shot. So... obviously, a few things are still pretty bugged. Because this is called source Java. And with my customer sense shoes and Friday, let's go! Let's go, Niklas! Also, show shoes. Show feet. I might actually do something a little bit crazy though. Let me just do this. Make a new project. Send you a pic per DC. Wait. What's going on with... Like, what is going on today with my audio? What is going on with my PC in general today? Seems very unhappy with me. Not cool. There's something open that I need to kill. I'm just gonna put this on the second screen. Oh no, I'm gonna close it, whatever. I am confused though. Okay, wait a second. Why is Codis still running? That is annoying me. The heck? So we stop the gateway and then exit gateway control. Cool. Why is Rust disk running? There's so many stuff that just started. I don't want that. Thank you. Theory for my driver's license fanatics. Yo, let's go. Oh, it's you doing a lot of things right now. Let's go. What the heck are you? I hit this. Oh my god. I am deeply upset with this. Disable. 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 There's so much stuff that just got installed because I installed one professional, like literally professional grade software, and now I have like 5 things that open up on startup. I hate this. Okay, let me see. Am I allowed to hear again? No, I am. Cool. Okay, not bad, not bad. Wait a second, is that Vans original? I want to play Pokemon on my laptop, but I don't want to buy it. Do you have any advice? Yeah, Dolphin. He's an emulator. And play the good titles like what we call, how are they called? I don't know. Anyway, environment, both sure. Mod ID, text, display, view. I'm allowed to like look at more properties, please. Jesus Christ. Doesn't make sense at all. What do you mean? What doesn't make sense? My laptop doesn't start the game. Okay, what? Oh, you want to play Pokemon Y? Yeah, but which emulator are you using? That's like the actual question, right? Yeah, I think we're stable now. I think we're stable. Stabled a few things. Is Docker still running? No, right? I don't think so. That's good. Citra. Don't know that one. I wouldn't be too sure if I would use that one. What are you making GUIs for? For Minecraft. In game. ChatGPT recommended it to me. Yeah, but the GitHub repository has been archived since last year. So try Lime 3DS, I guess. Which is a fork of that. Well, there are chunks. Just look at different ones. I'm learning how to make a mod menus for different games. Ah, okay, nice. Well, yeah. Trying to make the inspiration for this specific project is coming from this funny guy. Who may use text text displays for completely custom displays. And as you can see, you can very much interact with them. And I'm interested in if I can, first of all, port it to a mod distro that I am more comfortable using, because he's using paper. But I like Fabric more. So we're just gonna port it over. And then we see. Okay. A few things. I'm just gonna copy stuff over. No, right. No, I don't do that. I throw in the few things that I need. So we have a clean slate to work from. Users, Caesar. Idea project. Text displays. Was main Java. Copy this. Text file. Was main Java. Paste. And what else do I need? In I do want the Git. Also do want .github. I probably like the build Gradle. No, actually not. I think those are the only things that I actually need. Plus the readme. Oh, one too far. But for chat, do you say different games? Like what kind of games? What different games? There are too many games. I need to know more. Okay, so let's run this. And also, let's look at one little thing. Project. Basically, in player persistence, build Gradle.kts as a file. And I kind of want all of that. And I want to rename this refactor to be a build Gradle.kotlin. Same for setting out Gradle refactor, rename. Kotlin. There we go. Lime 3ds. Yeah, that is one of the first hits that I got. That doesn't seem like it's outdated. But in the end, search it on GitHub, find a repository that is actively maintained, and you're good. Which is basically the way I'd do that. So then we need to make a new directory. R text display UI. Paste that over. And then we shall see. So this is the plugin, which is obviously not what we need. We need to make this a mod. And the character literal does not conform the expected type of string. That's a string, alright. Oh. It's true. It ain't a string. Now it's a string. What type of string, but URI was expected? Probably not gonna be happy about that either. Let me just look at a different mod again. I always forget how to set this up properly. So just do it once and it's like set it and forget it. But in the end, you need it. Nothing else? Might be. We'll see. Okay. Step by step. Why is it like this today? Why is it? The sound not be crunchy. Go. Yes. Love you for that. Thank you. Normally I only get you look bald. Oh, Jesus. Thank you. How are you doing though? Okay, wait a second. I did that. Now I need to click on here. Oop, wrong click. I need to click on there. Remove selection. Select my headphones. Reload this. Can I just... Oh, that's fine. Cool. Sometimes my audio just breaks and I don't know why. Has something to do with well, the CPU load being funky today. For some reason. Yeah, something is going very weird today. %40 CPU load. No clue where it's coming from. No clue. Anyhow. My brain. I was unhappy. Fabric was not found in any of the following sources. Okay. That's okay. We can work with this. So what if I open let's say we go player persistence because I know that the Cradle KTS works here.
Thank you for the 10 long months of subscribing bims_shush ranks it.
_sh is a crouton since 10 months already.
Thank you, Bims! Hi! I am in voice chat, in the lowest voice chat, below Hans cluster. You can join if you want. I don't like setting up projects. I'm in voice chat with someone right now. I am annoyed at that. You have 10 minutes. You can't find this. Ah, you take your time. Yeah, he can't find this because maybe the settings at Gradle. I mean, that's a thing, isn't it? Loom requires at least Gradle 8.11. That's fine. We can change that. Now we're getting errors that I understand. Gradle properties. Where's the Gradle version again? Am I confused? I might be confused. First, let's remove all of this ORM stuff. Definitely don't need that. Whoa. Loader version, mod properties, dependencies. I'm obviously confused. Let's look at Gradle properties here. Doesn't do anything with Gradle here either. Maybe Gradle wrapper properties? Yes. There we go. Gradle. There we go. Now this should work. Great. Did not get unloan Kotlin loader version. That's fine. That is something that should probably be in the Gradle properties. And just, again, find from a different one. Oh, Kotlin loader version. I'm just gonna copy all of this stuff. Oh, it literally is just that one. Okay, sure. What are you doing? I have started porting the text display stuff over to Fabric. Right now I'm just setting up Gradle so it works. And then I'm gonna go through and probably only need to set up this part. Basically the plugin hook. And then see what fails. We'll just look at it. Oh, you want to rewrite it? Are you sure that you want to rewrite it? This is a huge mod. I would not rewrite that. That's not a lot. Okay. It is a lot. But most importantly, 99% is just math. And you don't need to rewrite the math. It's the same, so I can copy that. Yeah, but you can just leave it. Because the only thing we actually need to change is this That is the only stuff we need to touch. And then we'll see how errors propagate through the entire thing, because Java, right? Because classes. But most likely, we don't need to change anything. So it's like, yeah, not that deep. For now, why don't you know where fabric is? Doesn't really matter. I want to check something out first, and that is. Sure, let's try Hans. Source, Java. That's the mixins. Hans. Boom. Boom. That kind of is. I'm just realizing it did way easier. Wait a second. Let me open. You know what? Sure, player persistence is a little bit. Easier. So, just is a mod initializer. Fixed display GUI is a mod initializer. So I need to fix this first, otherwise I don't get IntelliSense. So it is requiring some Fabric API. Maybe I'll just invalidate caches first and see if that fixes something. We'll see. Tick, tick, tick. Okay. So this is now doing things. And let's see. GUI. Why is everything lagging though? That's probably because I need to start my PC. I'm gonna just close some stuff that I don't necessarily need. Oh. Unresolved direct fabric rendering data attachment. Fabric MC fabric rendering data. Yeah. I don't see why this would die. Watch you in a few days because my grandfather. Don't be sorry. Is your grandfather fine? Like, this is a no. Yes. Okay, that's very good to hear. Very good. Family is way more important than this little stream. Don't worry. Okay, I have the. It's a quite on this learning room cache. This was auto cancelled bills. Okay, wait a second. It is doing stuff. Fabric API deprecated. Wait a second. This Fabric version is broken? What is the current Fabric version? Okay, load on that. We should we use all of that, don't we? 21.5. What? .8, that's fine. 10 is also fine. This is a gig more. Hi! Welcome. Welcome in. To unzip zip data for free. How you think about your name? I have no idea who that is. I have no idea who William Afton is. I'm sorry. I don't know. Niklas, Windows has a zip tool. You don't need to download anything for that. You can just unzip stuff. But hi, Cross. Yes, I do remember you. I do. Mm-hmm. For real? Yeah. But how? You just double click the file. But to be honest, I am still a valiant user of WinRAR. So, or 7-zip, yes, but after this from Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay. WinRAR user. WinRAR is GOAT. Goated, okay? It has been there for me my entire life, and I will be there for it. The purple dude? Okay. Yeah, I'm not that knowledgeable about Five Nights at Freddy's, but I think that rings a bell. So oh, stuff is dawning. Why was there .5? I am really confused. Anyhow. So a mod initializer needs what? Ah, it will probably crash in a second. Tell me what's wrong. But we now are getting this stuff. I mean, in general, we can delete this part. Oh, yes, we're getting IntelliSense. Very nice. Configure. Oh. I'm confused. It is still indexing. Okay, let's give this a moment. We are running on 19 FPS right now. You're shitting me. So this hella unhappy with me. Oh my. I am hitting 60% CPU load right now. 60. Imagine that. Crazy. Oh, still indexing. Also, the WinRAR back. Man. Yeah, I kind of want the WinRAR back. Kind of want it. But also, I'm a little stingy boy and haven't even paid for WinRAR one. So, yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's funny. Okay, cool. So we cut that and paste it here. Not place the directory into its subdirectory. Oh, wait a second. What do you mean by that? Ah, okay. Probably just clicked the wrong thingies. Anyhow, I think I should get a coffee. Give me a moment. I'm gonna make myself a coffee. No, we'll see. What? The coffee machine takes a while today. I mean, technically, there's uninitialize, and everything that is in here should go in uninitialize. There you go. Okay. And then obviously okay, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see. Let's just put this in here. And we delete this entire stack. Yep, delete. There we go. Now, everything that is like called buckets, whatever, we're gonna delete. Everything bucket one is gonna be deleted because we don't use bucket, or and the Heliron stuff is just well, it's from the wrong part. Imports again. All that. However, basically we want to search for this. Control Shift F. Open and find window. And we want to replace that by this. Right, Control Shift R is the right thing, right? Yeah, replace that with that. Open and find window. Unclassified. 100 results. Look at that. But I do think we can just do that. There you go. Nope. Import. 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 The plugin doesn't need to exist. Logger we'll probably need to... Wait, unhappy? Cannot resolve val because it's .java and not .kotlin yet. So just refactor this. Rename this to... Oh wait, no. cancel. Refactor, rename this file to .kt. And all of a sudden, a lot of stuff doesn't need to be done anymore. I mean, technically all of this probably doesn't need to be done anymore. No. I just wanted you to delete that. Thank you. See? What function? Yeah, that is the also, I should be able to just wasn't there a thing? Control Shift K, right? Alt Shift K? Because this is obviously that. Being that. Function. Uninitialized, there we go. Okay. Is that here? No, it's here. Also not here. Where is it? Oh, I forgot. I mean, technically, just import everything. Right? No? Doesn't work? Fancy. Value logger, VA logger. Good. Private, but I don't want that. Get up point detector visualizer. All in here, right? Yep, that is in here. There we go. Doesn't work. What does this even do? Nothing, if I'm being honest. For us, this does nothing. Can convert Java file to Kotlin? Yes, I know. but since I had so many errors, it just did not want. Oh, coffee. One sec. Just gonna let it run through again. Oh. Okay. There we go. Now a lot of stuff is obviously broken. No, not create task text display. Text display should be something we can import. I'm a little bit unsure how, though, right now. I'm unsure if this is the right color. Only knows that one. Bucket.material.barrier. That obviously doesn't make sense for us. However, has fabric something along those lines? Ah, yeah. Let me see the Java docs, something like that. Block RP for one. Doesn't seem too wrong, but what I need is like a Java docs thingy. Okay. Let's have to go. Okay. Not happy. So, can I search for material? Armor materials. Tool, armor. Let's look at the bucket docs. Right. I hate this. Why do I need to log in order to look at the Java docs? What the fuck? I just want to look at the documentation. Fuck it. Ah, thank you. We were using... What again? Something with material. Bucket.material. What does this do? It represents various voxel types and states. It's basically a block. Everything, it's all deprecated. Are you shitting me? Oh god. Okay. Text display. Where can I get the text display from? Enhance. Where did we use text displays? I know that we did. Display here. E? What's with that guy? You do something again? Getting cancelled once wasn't enough. Will you say... Hmm. Hmm. So... Heck. Oh my. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Hmm. A text entity. This is what we get for a text display. No. Entity. It's a text display entity in this case. We're still analyzing. Great. Oh my. Fancy. We're analyzing. We love it. We love it. Little. Nah. Nah. I still don't have everything on gold. Is annoying. But hey, we'll see. Oh jeez. Why are you still analyzing? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go toilet really quick. Yeah, good point. Why does a text display entity not have a background color? This is always null. Great. They use like scoreboard stuff and shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is hella annoying. I haven't written this as a mod. Obviously not, it was a plugin, but Jesus Christ, this is so much. Yeah. And, uh... Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. There's so much in it to rewrite. There is so much we need to rewrite. Okay. Uh... Let me think. I mean, these seem to... Just need to get... Oh no, even those don't work. That is just the setup. Do you use Java AVT color? No, bucket color. Obviously. What? Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the fuck does this do? Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to visualize the life cycle right now of this program. But I am very much confused. Let's start with a clean and nice slate. I'm missing something here. Yep, I do. Okay. Doesn't that look like that? Was it a late init val? Ah. Cool. So GUI equals a GUI manager. Use the same logger, please. This is not a mod initializer. It far from is. Okay. There you go. So value logger. Ah, right. Not used. That's the problem. I'm not ready here, am I? Yeah. So what do I actually want? So this needs a few things, right? It needs a function to render a GUI given a arbitrary GUI. And for a player. Net.fabricmc dot API dot no. I want a fake player. I want a player. Can I do stuff with like Minecraft stuff itself? Where do we get like the player? The server player entity. There you go. That's the thing. Okay. So, create a class GUI. Isn't really a class, is it? It's a interface. I think one. New Minecraft class. Crazy. Okay. And we want to convert Um. How do I... How do we do that with mixins again? Then mods.mixins, okay. I'm just gonna steal a mixin from here. Alright then. Server player. It's not called mixin. Obfuscate. Timeout name. First of all, let me do that fun stuff. Just that we want Minecraft server. What is it called? Server player entity? Server player entity. No. Server player entity. It's override remove false. Now the question is, do I need to? Right. Do I understand mixins, right? Let me get them explained very quick. I hit this page already. Hit the docs. This access new mixin functions from other packages. New function. Okay, so I can add to some Java file my core idea. Nice. Great. That's exactly what I want. So, red. It's a Right, a GUI. Private. I don't think that would make a lot of sense. Private. I need. My brain is actually struggling with this right now. What did I just want? I want to have a private GUI. And then we have if, and we obviously use guarding clauses because that's way nicer. Okay. And then good stuff. Get registered GUI. Sure. However, what I want is server player entity. Do you have player tick? Cool. So I can do Jesus Christ. So I want to. Okay, so I want to do whatever player tick does, but then do some more, right? So we want to GUI if the GUI not null register GUI render. You know what? Let's do this. Wonder that. Anyway. server. Oh my. Oh, I'm dying right here. I need some motivation. I need some motivation. Um, yeah, I'm. Um, let me just, okay. Let me think about some stuff. How do we actually want this stuff to work? What do I actually want? Because right now, I have zero idea. Like zero idea. So, do we work today? No, I don't think to work. Why though? So frustrating. Why is this broken? Bing. Come fucking. Why does this not just go out? Should though, right? Okay. Try to just hmm. Ah, why is this lagging now? No, man. Everything breaks. This works, right? Just okay. Yeah, that kind of works. And I'm just gonna use that. Oh. The other one, 7. Okay. Okay, so let's think about this. We have the normal client loop. That is way too far in already. Okay, basically, well, okay, well, what is a GUI in this case? A GUI is. Are you shitting me? This. Is this just Excalibur or is this everything? If I use GIMP, will I do the same thing? I haven't tried that. GIMP starting. Hi. How about you? Oh, here. There you go. New. Advanced options. Background color. Sure, but can I... What is the background color? It's just white, thank you. Let's make this black. Um, Definitely works, right? Ah, that's why. Oh my god, it's actually just Excalibur. Oh, it's just Excalibur. Okay, 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 that makes way more sense. Okay, so anyhow, so we have our... Okay, let's define what does a GUI need. So what does a GUI need? GUI needs two things. By the way, put this on another. A GUI needs size, resolution, maybe some arguments like floating, so some type. a type. A type could be stuff like static, interactive, full viewport. That is actually more not really part of the size, but the well, there. Spot. Oh, you know what? I'll just scale down the whole layer. Select none, does Control Alt. Okay. I'll just scale down the whole thing. There we go. Scale. No, I'm happy with this. Oh, just present up probably. Yeah, okay, cool. So this is a type. And then we have something like a viewport type. But we need to set the layer. Layer. So what I'm gonna call that? Relational? Where we have basically the fixed and following. These two can be set by a boolean if we're being honest. So we could make it just interactive and static, and yeah, these both can be booleans. Okay, but that's fine. Let's think about this a little bit more. And then we have some image data, right? Now this is the fun part. How the frick are we gonna get image data? Do we have something there? I mean, HTML would be crazy good because then we can like literally. Let's just search for Java. HTML to HTML parser. Nah, but HTML to EMP. I mean... Hmm. I am a little bit unsure. But that might actually be an idea. Have this be some HTML to BMP. And then we need like an interaction data. Right? Which is basically an array of boxes. So then what one could do using all of this you can I do it? It's like full screen? Oh, okay, kind of. Not really. Basically, you can then... So you can define a HTML. Render it as a BMP. Also extract the interactive elements. BMP interactive elements. And save those areas. Extract interactive element. Extract the interactive area elements. And we then want to pick yeah, save that as an array of so a BMP or bitmap is okay, what is a bitmap again? Is that just a image formed from rows of different colored pixels? Graphics, raster graphics. Yeah. I think we could do that. And then we pipe all of that. And then we render that as the text display. And this one we can check for interactions. Right. I think we might be able to do that. Now there's one question. How the fuck are we gonna efficiently package all of that? But I do think HTML is the right choice. Because using HTML we can use images, we can use anything. The only problem is that we are limited by our resolution. But that is, I don't know how big of a problem it actually is. Because we probably are able to render like 480p using text displays. What I'm a little bit unhappy about is this conversion step. I wish we could just skip that and render directly to text display, but I don't think this step is too hard, so it should be fine. But then we can like literally use, if we, this is, I think this is the hard part here. Or is it? Can you? Just from the HTML, can you get the size of the interactive elements? Did you consider CSS? It is not about setting, it's about getting. If you have a rendered HTML, right? If we do this, right? If we inspect, how can we get basically, let's just scroll wherever. How can we get this box? How can we get all of that fun stuff? Right, if you look at that, it says 767 by 2000, whatever. How can we get those numbers and the location of them? That's the important thing. That is the weird thing. Because if we can get that, we can literally write pure HTML, document get element by ID. Yeah, but okay, how do we get the location and the size in the rendered HTML? On screen. Is that easy? I don't know. Because if that's easy, then this part isn't the hard part. Then we can literally write pure HTML and render it to a text display with interactive areas. With JavaScript? Technically with JavaScript. But I'm unsure if we need JavaScript. Because in the end, we're gonna handle most of the stuff in Java. Like in the backend anyway. Because the interaction itself, that will be handled by like some mix-in of the player class, or like some weird stuff there. But this is not HTML anymore. DXX get bounding client rectangle. Good shit. Oh. Then that is possible. Then that's possible. Then we can make actually anything. So the weird part is gonna be the interactions, handling like the raycast and generally the interactions of like how to interact with the GUI. But this part should be somewhat easy, and we have Kona. You can write JavaScript and shit like websites. Hit the height with bottom, left, right, top. Perfect. Yeah. Way more than we even need. Great. Because in the end we need like top, left, bottom, right. And that's all. Right? We only need 2 points to know, hey, the rectangle looks like that. Then it's really a question, how fast can we get this? And can we maybe make this smart using diffs? So we don't need to refresh all text displays all the time. But unsure. We're saying we don't need to kill the text display. We can just leave it hovering and change the color. We probably even don't need to make it smart. I'm a little bit confused. I'm a little bit concerned about how intensive this is gonna be on CPU. Because let's think this through. So we have like 4 ADP. I'd say it's like a realistic number for a website to be rendered. What is 4 ADP actually in size? Sixteen by 9. $840. So 409,000. So 410,000 approximately. Take a picture of the page and convert it. That's absolutely what I'm planning. That is that step. The problem is that this step is highly optimized, right? I doubt that this is gonna take too long. Setting the text displays for 410,000 text displays. I am unsure how fast we can get this. Low frame rate? Yeah, okay, how low? We have 20 TPS anyway. Yes, cool. But 400,000 text displays per client, right? This is times number of clients. Times number of GUI. If we have like static billboards and stuff. Okay, static billboards won't take that much, but because they don't need refreshing. Like they don't need re-rendering all the time, but right? It's a shit ton. So 1 pixel equal 1 text display? Yes. Yep. That's how I understood the code. By 480p, because that seemed like a realistic number for a pixelated thingy. I mean, look at this. Bitmaps. Render. Pixel shader. Fragment shader. The scenes. Did I misinterpret something? That bitmap. Map equals map. Grid being of clear color. Rendering entity renderer. Okay. But this is the block display stuff. Point detection scheduler is. I'm pretty sure they use the. All so onTig get entities fixed display or entity in entities color whatever and then yeah. So pixel is a we need that much though. I mean no, but where would I mean in the end we need to draw the line somewhere and it is completely arbitrary where we do. We can also just say it's less, which is fine. The actual question is how much. What is the end goal in terms of graphics? And can we get HTML to render in 240p? I guess we can. Probably. Yeah, should be fine. Can also group pixels. With less text display. In what sense group? You mean interpolation? Like scaling up? Or scaling down, I guess? There's a 2x2 square with, if you can combine them into one. Yeah. However. My feeling that would be static ones for some GUIs. Yeah, static GUIs I don't think are a problem. Because they just are. Right? That just shouldn't be a problem. The problem I see is just that calculating if nearby pixels share the same color and doing some just like doing some optimization on the on the display. While it generally works, how we do that in real life is with ASICs. And I don't think that we will gain too much of... Yeah, I don't think we'll gain that much performance. But if I look at this, like 240p looks fine. And 240p is how much? 240p in 16:9. Well, that is a little bit weird. I probably can make do with that. So that would be 426 by 240. It's 102,000. Already just a quarter. And 240p is fine. 240p should be fine, yeah. And not every, like, we can say that this is our max resolution, right? So we have like some stuff that is not filling the whole screen. Okay. Then there's the question, how are we gonna render the HTML? How are we gonna make, where are we going to make this step? Is that on-premise? That it's on microservice? Because I'm unsure if I want that on the server itself, because that thing is gonna be busy. Unsure if removing some load there would be beneficial. On the other hand, adding like a microservice means we need to have HTTP requests, meaning we get more latency, meaning we probably push ourselves farther away from the 20 TPS. Huh. Maybe I'm thinking too much about this. Probably isn't the worst idea to have this in one package in the mod itself. Can we... Oh, that's a fun one. How do we get the... wait a second. No, we get the ID to... Right. So, since we get the ID here, probably not just save the box, but... maybe we'll make it like a kind of dictionary shit. Wait a second. Yeah. So this would be like a dictionary of a box to a function. And yeah. Then we have the relation to this is there it is, and how do we find basically loop through a box in the keys, and then if box dot it or whatever and then we can just ask this, hey, is this interaction inside the box? And then do the function. I can't write anymore. Yeah, I think that's fine. That seems okay. Oh god. So do I want to start coding, or do I just want to leave that be for now? Having thought about it, I guess I'm fine. Let's stream for 3 hours again. So I'll just stop here and I don't know. Enjoy the evening. Goodbye, everyone. You tomorrow? No, see you Thursday. Goodbye. Bye bye.